Welcome back to Wally's channel. I'm Richard from Ubuntu-Step. Today I will guide you through the process of loading the driver for DR9074-Triband on Linux 5.17.0, showcasing its seamless integration with ATH11K. The module is demonstrated to function effectively in both access point and station modes across the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands. Before we delve into the driver loading process for DR9074-Triband, let's take a closer look at the product DR9074-Triband. DR9074-Triband, equipped with the Qualcomm Atheros QCN9024 chipset, is an advanced enterprise wireless module. It incorporates a 4x4 MU-MIMO dual-band wireless module, tailored for mobile access in high-bandwidth applications such as video streaming, voice communication, and data transmission. Key features include a maximum power of 23 dBm per chain, supporting data rates up to 4,949 megabits per second, operating in tri-band, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz with 4x4 Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ax, and 4 spatial streams. It features an M.2 key interface and PCI Express 3.0 interface. Applications span security surveillance, commercial radio coverage, hotel wireless setups, and specialized scenarios. Wally's recently announced the compatibility of DR9074-Triband with ATH11K on Linux, expanding its support beyond Qualcomm platforms to various Linux embedded systems including Ubuntu. First, please download Ubuntu-22.04 from the provided link in the video. Next, you will need to compile kernel version 5.17. Next, download the Ubuntu kernel source code. Next, configure the compilation options. Next, install dependencies. Compile and install. Next, install modules. As you can see, this is the freshly compiled kernel source code. Now let's get started. Compile the driver. Enter the firmware folder and copy the card firmware. Copy the compiled driver to the specified path. Compile host APD. Finish configuration and start making and installing. Configure host APD compile options. Check the successful installation of the current version, then run host APD. Verify the presence of the DR9074 card. Confirm the functionality of 2.4G, 5G, 6G under AP mode. Compile the tool for station mode and configure compile options. Complete compilation. Check the version returns as 2.10 for successful compilation. Then run. confirm the functionality of 2.4G 5G 6G under station mode. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm here to help you choose the best solution for your specific need. Thank you for watching and see you online.